Are your family gatherings still crammed around a tiny indoor kitchen? You live in a beautiful climate, but your backyard is just a place to sit, not a place to live. You're missing out on the joy of effortless open-air entertaining. Let BNH Construction turn your backyard into the ultimate entertainment zone. We design and install bespoke outdoor kitchens, complete with grills, refrigerators, sinks, and stunning Paver countertops, crafted to match the quality of your indoor spaces. And when the sun goes down, the experience doesn't stop. Extend your entertaining season with a custom outdoor fireplace or fire pit that brings warmth, ambiance, and unforgettable nights with the people you love. This isn't just about cooking. It's about creating memories, adding value, and maximizing your home's usable space. And getting started is easier than you think, with zero down payment, incredible financing, and the lowest monthly payments available. Plus, enjoy total peace of mind with payment upon completion. Ready to be the host everyone talks about? Let B&H design your ultimate outdoor escape.
Call BNH Construction, Inc. today for a free consultation at 1-888-600-9648.